our love was rare, the kind I pray to feel again. Those sleepy morning greetings still ringing in my head. Who do I run to now when the day starts caving in? I reach for my phone, then remember, and it stings. I wish there were visitation hours in heaven. I book you every minute, every day. Sit there in that waiting room, just grinning for one more chance to hear you say my name. I'd fill your hole forever with my questions, laugh and cry and never watch the time. If there were visitation hours in heaven, I'd never let them cut our little line. You'd fuss at me about the mess I never see. Roll your eyes, start laughing, say you'll be the death of me. I take the L in every scold and every sigh, every complaint, if it meant your hand was brushing mine again. I wish there were visitation hours in heaven. I'd book you every minute, every day. Sit there in that waiting room, just grinning for one more chance to hear you say my name. I fill your hole forever with my stories, tell you how I'm trying to be strong. If there were visitation hours in heaven, maybe it wouldn't hurt that you are gone. I bet you're having fun up there with that wild and gentle heart, mommy, with a spirit like yours, you're light in every dark. If the angels ever need a friend, I know they run to you. And I'm here talking to the sky like it's the only thing I can do. I wish there were visitation hours in heaven, just a Sunday call, a 5-minute hello. You could yell about the things I still don't get right, then kiss my cheek before I go. I'd sit in that small room, hold your hand, let the whole world blur and bend. If there were visitation hours in heaven, I'd book you again and again and again.